What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to a bit of an emergency update, this midday market update, which I've been doing for the last couple of days, for the last week or so. And again, it's still a relatively new concept, so let me know what you think about these videos and also what I can add. All right, what I do now usually is we look at some news, if there is news. Then we'll look at the market, so we'll look at Bitcoin and we'll look at other cryptos that are doing great. Which, spoiler alert, right now is not much. There's only 2 cryptos in the plus right now and in the top 500. Some cryptos are doing great, but most of these moves are more manipulated moves. So that could be interesting, but that's not something we'll talk about much. We will talk about it for a little bit though. But let me know if you want to see more, alright? We can implement more things into these videos. I think there is some time for that, so let me know down in the comments. But for now, let's get right into it. The market right now is not doing great, all right? If you look at Bitcoin, basically every indication we have, which is the technicals, look, we're at support right now at 61,000. The current support level is 61 up until 62,000. It's not really providing much support right now, so that's a bearish indication. Then apart from that, you can also see, what's quite interesting is that there's actually, oh no, I have to refresh this, excuse me. But no, what's quite interesting is that there's also, look, the momentum is dropping down, especially if you look at it from the last week's perspective. We've had a lot of spot sells, which is this green line right here. And the CVD right here is also still negative. Although, and that's interesting, and that's also the key which we are looking for, there is a bit of an increase in the open interest in the last 30 minutes. So who knows what that could lead to, but like I said, the main thing we're looking for right now is that everything right now looks bearish, all right? You can see right here, everything is red, so most altcoins are falling down, which you can also see right here with the total 3. And the main thing we're looking for is a strong support for Bitcoin that can actually hold us up and from which we can gain momentum, all right? Because in the end, look, there are no good cryptos to trade right now. Because what's happening is that the entire market is falling at this moment and the Bitcoin dominance is going up, which means that Bitcoin is falling, but altcoins are falling even more. And if you look at this chart, for example, you can see that most cryptos are moving together with each other as well. So what we are waiting for right now is one crucial support to hold, that Bitcoin actually holds that support, and that from that support we gain new momentum. And the big question is that, all right, we are at a support level right now between 62 and 61,000. Can that support level hold us up? Can we actually gain that momentum from that level? So we really need to see something like this, right? In terms of the open interest, because that's what I usually see as momentum. So can we see something like that from this level? That's great. Then we can actually hold that level and get some bullish momentum from there. However, if we cannot gain that from this level soon, I do think we need to get that relatively soon. Then it's more likely we'll drop down to the next support level, which is this level right here. And let me say 58,500. That's the main next support level. There's a lot of different support levels here. So 60 is also a support level. 59 is some sort of a support level. But I would say 58,500 is the strongest support level if we are unable to hold this level around 61,000 right now. So that's the main thing we're waiting for. But at this moment, very honestly, I would just not trade if I were you. Wait for Bitcoin to find some support. We don't necessarily need a bullish Bitcoin, but we do need a Bitcoin that's holding a support level and maybe consolidates on top of that. So that's what we're waiting for. I will keep you updated. And the main thing is, and like I said, if you go to coinglass.com, so that's a site where you can analyze. And you go to the supercharts section, which you cannot see right now, but it's here at the top. Yeah, so here at the top, you go to CoinGlass, supercharts. Then you can actually put the aggregated open interest on the chart, and that way you can follow it. Because that's what we need to see. We need to see that increase, and then we have confirmation that the support level holds, and that potentially we could long some altcoins. Otherwise it's just waiting, all right? Apart from that, some news, the CC is getting his sentence today. I don't think that will have a massive impact on the market, but it's interesting to keep an eye on. And tomorrow, just to remind you, we have the interest rate decision and the press conference. So I will keep you updated in my videos over the next 24 hours, but just so you know, that could cause some more volatility. For now, that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.